everyone. Today we'll be taking the LED light assembly out of a Broan PM390SSP. And the first thing we're going to do is make sure power is disconnected to the unit, and always make sure that you have your safety gear on. First thing you would do is you would remove the filter. And to change that LED light assembly, there's going to be 3 screws that we're going to remove. The first screw would be on the left hand side, second screw right hand side on the grill assembly, and the third screw is going to be way at the top when this unit is mounted, right there. And I'm going to go ahead and get these screws removed. Once the screws are removed, the grill will just lift up and out, and you can actually turn it around. You can disconnect it by just squeezing the connector. Right here we have the light assembly, and what you can do is you can just unplug it, and this whole light assembly just pulls off. What you can do then is just unsnap the unit, and you'll be putting a new LED light assembly in, and it'll go in from the outside to the inside, and just repeat the steps to replace the grill. That is it.